Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's a pretty bittersweet day, actually. This will probably be the last joyride that we have on the Aprilia 457. I know this is the first time you're seeing the bike on this channel. I bought this bike about a year ago, kind of a lower point in my life. I had to sell my dream bike and we moved to a new city and I was without a bike for quite a while. Obviously it's a 400, so it's not anything too crazy or powerful, but she looks cool and it's a lot of fun. It's very light in the twisties. Pretty excited to take her out tonight. I'm gonna take you guys with me. This is gonna be the last girl ride, actually. We're gonna be meeting up with my friend Krista and probably getting some lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along with me for the ride.
Hi, I just wanted to hop on here real quick to let you know I did not quite have my mic set up at this point. So it's going to be more of a scenic ride, but I hope you enjoy.
Yay! Hi! How are you? Good. Oh, the bike looks so good.
Thank you.
This is new?
Yeah. It had the other one on it, but we didn't like it, so I ordered this one.
Oh, what was the other one?
This one. It was like all white. It just didn't match the one that's on here.
Oh, cool. I got a drinky.
Nice.
Okay, I'll follow you. By your bike.
Okay.
After we're done eating, I'll like clip it to your bike somewhere. So I can because it's magnetized, I can clip it to your bike somewhere. So when you're like going, I can get like pure sound of your bike.
Oh, okay.
I can't do it on any of my bikes because they're all stopped. I wonder if we triggered the light. Oh, this place looks so cute.
Huh?
Looks so cute.
Thank you. Oh yeah. This is cute. I've never been to this.
You and your bike look cute too.
I thought you meant my bike. I was like, oh, thank you.
It
No,
is.
It looks cute. It's cute. It's like a little barn.
It's untied. What? Your shoelace is untied. Yeah, now it feels good. Now it feels good. Yeah.
It was a little chilly. Do you need any?
No, I'm good. This bike is great on gas. That's one thing I'll definitely miss about it. What?
It's having us go right.
Oh wow, the tide's really low.
Yeah.
Because it's supposed to come up the seawall.
We saw Vikings.
Yeah. People said that they can't have fun on a 400. They're not actually riding it.
No, you can have fun on it.
You almost got taken up.
No. I knew he was coming over. Like, I'm like,
And just like that, that was the last joyride on the Aprilia 457. I couldn't ask for a better way to spend it. Great roads, great food, good friends. It's kind of bittersweet seeing this bike go, although yes, it is just a 400. It got me out of a bad funk I was in before I bought this bike. I'm glad I was able to take it on the channel here, and you guys are able to witness it as well and be part of this journey. This isn't just an ending. You know, we are in and out of motorcycles so many different times. There's a bike behind this one that has yet to be on the channel. There's definitely going to be more, and if you want to follow along with this journey of motorcycles and learning how to do tricks on the Grom, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like and comment on this video. It definitely helps out. Oh, I have big plans in the future. I'm not going to spoil it here, but I do have plans to get another bike, but unfortunately we have to say goodbye to this one first. Somewhere along the ride home, my camera did die, so I wasn't able to record most of the ride home, but obviously we got here safely. It was a great ride, so I'll go ahead and catch you guys in the next one. Here's another video if you're interested. Just go ahead and click on it.